All right, Nashville. Here we are continuing day 2 of Bitcoin Builders Nashville edition. We just had a great panel giving us a lay of the land, a landscape, if you will, of what Bitcoin layers are and what they will or could be in the future. Next up, we're going to continue our conversations looking at Lightning and a Lightning talk by BlockSurvey's Wilson Bright. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome up Wilson of BlockSurvey.
Hello, everyone. My name is Wilson, co-founder and CEO of BlockSurvey. Over the next 10 minutes, I would like to share a story about how we started building on stacks and built a successful Web3 SaaS company. So what is BlockSurvey? We are a Web3 survey tool. We help Web3 companies to collect data and insights from their audience using privacy-first surveys. Over 500 plus companies trust sending their surveys using BlockSurvey. Companies like Brave Browser, Yuga Labs, Internet Freedom Foundation, City of Columbia, University of South Carolina are few of our customers. Now you might ask, why do we need yet another survey tool? After speaking to thousands of customers, we found 3 major problems. Number 1, they are not private or secure. Imagine running sensitive surveys and all your data is getting breached and you're losing your data. Simply, the existing Web2 tools are not built on the foundations of privacy or security. They are simply old school. They're invasive. Data breaches and leaks are continuing to happen in this space, and it isn't stopping. Second, it is not built for Web3 at all. You would have seen numerous Web2 tools being put to use, be it Google Forms, Typeform, or SurveyMonkey, but then they don't serve the use cases of Web3. What are those use cases? If you're looking to build allow lists, token gating, or collecting crypto payments, it's simply not possible. You have to hack around it to get it done. And finally, none of the Web2 tools today are AI-driven yet. If you map out the entire customer value chain of a researcher who is defining the problem to getting to know or understand or get clarified by running a research using a survey tool, it's a tedious process. It's super time-consuming. It's error-prone and expensive. And none of the Web2 tools are AI-driven yet. Manual survey processes are time-consuming, leading to delayed insights, and you lose out on opportunities when you're not looking into the data. So how can we solve these 3 problems as a community? And that's how we started building BlockSurvey. So working with community starting from 2020, by solving these 3 problems, we are reimagining the future of surveys. In the next few slides, I would walk you through how we did that. It started all way back in 2020 from a hackathon. So the first use case is using stacks to offer data ownership for people who use surveys. So here is a simple example. If you are a survey creator looking to collect data from your audience, it is end-to-end encrypted. And Stacks facilitates that using the platform today. When you do this, it's zero knowledge. Your data is in your custody, and you will have complete ownership of your data. No one can look into your data, not even BlockSurvey. Second, it's purely built for Web3. If you wanted to collect wallet addresses, if you wanted to run token holder surveys, build use cases like allow list, whitelists, or even building waitlists for your products, you can get it done using BlockSurvey. And finally, it's AI-driven. This is how the interface looks. So you can create surveys in just a minute. So if you have a proposal, if you have a thesis, all you have to do is punch in your intention, and we would help you to craft your questionnaires, and then also do data analysis for you. And it's also white labeled. So many Web3 businesses care about white labeling their platform. You can create good-looking platforms, good-looking forms and surveys, but then you can also bring your own brand. It's super customizable. If you're a dev, you can really make the platform as your own. What we are trying to do here is also speaking to customers, Surveys are really boring. No one likes filling them. There is no experience at all, but we are trying to reimagine the UI UX of surveys by making it fun and engaging. Here is a case study from Yuga Labs. So when Yuga Labs came to us, they had a challenge of collecting feedback from their NFT holders. So what did they ask us to do is, they wanted a token-gated feature to collect data from their audience in a really privacy-focused way. So we enabled that for them. So what we helped them with is primarily collecting 1,000+ feedback from their audience. And this data helped Yuga Labs to understand how they have to move their community forward. This is how it all started. So that's us with a few of my friends. We hacked blocks from a hackathon called as Can't Be Evil, run by Stacks in 2020. The thesis was primarily to build a user-owned internet. How can you build a privacy-focused internet for the users? And we built from that hackathon. So during the hackathon, we were researching using survey tools to validate our ideas. Then we found out not even a single tool out there has end-to-end encryption. They're super invasive. Imagine running sensitive surveys or all the ideas you collect for your research and it is not owned by you. So it started from there. But then coincidentally, what happened is we launched it on Product Hunt, and that's when Black Lives Matter rally happened. So what we found out was users were using our platform to collect data, ask audience to participate in the rallies, RSVPing into rallies which was happening across the US. So that gave us the conviction to build further from there. So what we did is we reimagined from privacy and security, but then we moved on, we built further from there. Today, we have done about 10 million plus response collection in our platforms. There are about 30K signed up users who are using our platform. So I would like to show you how the platform looks and how we help Web3 businesses. Take a look at a quick demo.
As soon as you sign in, you will see this dashboard. Click on Create New and create from scratch. Say you wanted to build a whitelist using forms and surveys. How do you do it today? Typically, you create a form and you ask your audience to submit their wallet addresses by copy-pasting them. But this is prone to errors, spam, and there also is no way to validate the authenticity of it. But with BlockSurvey, you can solve it. From design, click on Add Question by Type, and you can collect Web3 identities from all these networks. So for this demo, I'm going to use the Stacks network. All I'm going to do is I'm going to add a title to it. What you're seeing on the right is a question preview, and this is how it will be presented to your audience. All they have to do is click on Sign to verify the call to action, and they will be able to submit their wallet address from their wallet. I have submitted my response. Let's take a look at the responses. Go to Responses, and there you go. We have got the response. Let's open up and see this. So here we have collected the wallet address. Along with that, we have also collected the BTC addresses as well. Stacks is a layer 2 chain, so it also brings in the Bitcoin addresses. So now the network is Stacks, and also we capture the provider as well. So we tell you what wallet they are answering from. Now what's more, you can token gate these forms. Say if you wanted to collect whitelists from audiences who hold your token, you can do that. So go to token gating, add gating, and select the token type. And here we have a list of projects listed already, but you can choose the other, add your name and the contract name, and then the minimum holdings. That's it. So when this is set up, only your audience who hold your token will be able to answer the form or submit the form. That's a quick overview of BlockSurvey and how it helps Web3 companies to collect wallet addresses and token gate them using forms and surveys. Sign up for free to get started and share your experience. Thank you.
And I'm really deeply grateful over here. I think we started from 2020. We never imagined we would build a Web3 SaaS company and make it successful. It's super crowded space. There are about 500 companies out there. And we are the only player who are reimagining this space using Web3 as well as using AI. And it's been a great journey. If Stacks wasn't there, we wouldn't have built this business. Well, I would encourage you all to give it a try. And if you have any questions, feedback, feel free to connect with us. We have a playbook for how to build a successful Web3 SaaS platform. And it will save you years of effort, and happy to share it with you. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for listening. Thank you. I'm Wilson, and this is BlockSurvey. Thank you.